I like the people, and I learn something new every day. It's never the same. I'm Allison McIver. I'm a Clerk A with the Planning, Property, and Development Department. I do all the filing. I enter data entry. I do the monthly eco-passes for all employees in the department.
The City of Winnipeg is a dynamic and interesting place to work with 11 diverse departments, all requiring clerical support. If you're interested in becoming a Clerk A, you must have experience working in a customer service environment, experience working with Microsoft Word, and have the knowledge to operate standard office equipment. The recruitment process for a Clerk A position consists of 3 steps. Step 1, complete and submit an application. Step 2, completion of a keyboard and word processing test. And Step 3, attend a pre-screening interview. Once all the steps have been successfully completed, your application will be considered for future opportunities.
I have a lot of opportunities. I can make my way up to a higher level job. When I first started, I was given an employee course calendar, and I can pick my own training, like if I think they're gonna help me in my job.
The City of Winnipeg has a clerk series which consists of 5 levels, from Clerk A to Principal. These levels provide an opportunity for clerks to grow within the city.
And I see it take me to management. I'm still a long way, but I'll work my way up.
For more information about current job postings, visit the City of Winnipeg's Career Opportunities webpage at www.winnipeg.ca/HR. You can also learn more about the qualifications and experience required by checking out the Career Explore link on the webpage.